the Friday Fireside Chat. Yeah. All right. So, if you want in on this season's giveaways, all you have to do is type into the comments, "I want in," and you get a bingo ball. It's as simple as that. Hey, and this Friday's Fireside Chat is brought to you by Goundress. Hey, Goundy, thank you for being a true supporter of Pappy's Corner. Okay, today's Fireside Chat is called The Physical Exam. There was an old man who needed to go to the doctor and have his yearly physical, and his wife was tagging along, and so they were sitting in the exam room when the doctor walked in. And the doctor says to the old man, "I'm going to need a urine sample, a stool sample, and a sperm sample." And the old man, being hard of hearing, he yells at his wife, "What do you say? What do you want?" His wife yells back at him and says, "He wants your underwear." And remember, do something nice for someone today. Peace.